accident, a huge off. Ryan Feater had spun, Piquet is involved, there was another car that's airborne as well, and the race is being stopped straight away. Red flag shown, and Ryan Feater was the catalyst for all of that because he had spun, and then out of nowhere came, I fear, Peter Lee. Looking at the order, the race is stopped, or race is suspended, I should say.
Up Bay Hill, and whoa, that is superb blocking stuff by Kovalainen. And Watts is desperate to find a way through. Up to Druids. Oh, and he's on the back wheel. And that is a horrendous accident. Catapulted across the track onto the tyre wall. The damage obvious on the back of Kovalainen's car. The rest of the car's still running. Colin Brown inside Blake Walker now for 5th place. And that is a very, very welcome sight. Danny Watts.
Reese's wing goes, and Dino Morelli's hit Gareth Rees. And Morelli goes off. That was Dino Morelli, and he's in the car. The front half of the car very badly damaged. The engine's still running hard.
As Herbert and Wojtek slammed from wall to wall, Grillard was collected. Wojtek barrel rolled along the Armco, and there were cars everywhere.
Heading in, you see the speed. You know that this is one of the fastest points of the racetrack, and that is absolutely monstrous. A horrible, violent impact, and just no control at all. That's what the tyre barrier is there.
That right at the early stage, Piquet and Warwick and Serra are involved. Serra goes across the circuit. It's absolute chaos. Mayhem. The unfortunate Japanese driver going end over end. And then cars subsequently piling into each other. The marshals go over the top.
Place pour Nick De Vries, 4e position. Oh attention, l'accrochage et l'accident terrible. Que s'est-il passé? Que s'est-il passé? Pourquoi Roberto Merhi s'est quasiment arrêté au moment de franchir la ligne?
With Jimmy Eriksson, and so Martin Burra just going to get a swap on, and nothing he can do. Straight to the scene of the accident, clearly catching him by surprise. We've seen him have moments already this weekend, but that is an enormous accident.
Og det er altså et spørgsmål om, at han vil ind til inderkøben, og der har den anden kører.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.